Hi everyone and welcome back. So you may know that I broke my Insta360 One X camera when I fell on a shoot out in Mount Maunganui here in New Zealand back in June. You might also know that I contacted Insta360 about a repair and I sent it back to them in Hong Kong. You can see all about that in my video up here. You might also know that I've been waiting a while for my repair to happen as my camera made its way to Hong Kong and then got caught up in customs as they shipped it further on to Shenzen in China, which is where their repair center is located. And you can see more about that part of the story up here. So today is hopefully the final part of the story where I get my camera back from Insta360 and tell you all about how they reached out to me as a result of my last video. Check it out. Oh, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more Insta360 One X and 360 camera content right here on my channel. Thank you. So when I posted my video on July the 7th, it seemed to cause a little bit of a stir. Some people saw it for the slightly tongue-in-cheek humorous video that it was, while still trying to make a serious point. Others thought I was overreacting a little bit, maybe making a video about this. And people are fine to have an opinion about that. However, Insta360 took it seriously, to the point that Leon Liu liked my Facebook post. Now, if you don't know who Leon Liu is, he's actually the VP and co-founder of Insta360. Wow. Shortly after that, Insta360 technical support reached out to me on both Facebook and on my email, sincerely apologizing for the delay and saying that they were trying to expedite the repair process to get this back to me as quickly as possible. So, though I was out and about that day, we had a flurry of email exchanged, and Insta360 amazingly offered to repair my damaged camera unit at no cost and get it back to me as soon as possible. And it just arrived back today. That's just 4 days after we had this conversation on email. So I don't know about you, but I think that's outstanding and amazing customer service from Insta360. And I just wanted to update you about this little story and make sure that you knew how this panned out. The Insta360 One X is one of the few cameras where you can get damaged lenses repaired rather than having to buy a completely new unit. And while Insta360 acknowledged that they may have some issues sometimes with trying to get these repairs done in a timely way, in this case, when they became aware of my problems trying to get this unit repaired through my video, they went over and above the level of service that I expected. So thank you very much, Insta360. Big thumbs up from me. Well done. Now, I hope you've enjoyed this video and the story of how I got here, and I hope it proves useful for you if you have damaged your Insta360 One X camera. They are trying. Reach out to them. Use the app. And let's see where that gets you. They're trying to get these back to you as soon as possible. And you know, New Zealand is a long way from Hong Kong. So again, big thumbs up, Insta360. Right, I'm off shooting with my camera, my repaired unit. Cheers and go well.